Dun dun dun. All right, hello people of the internet. My name is Gaurav. Welcome to my face and my place. And today we have a really interesting machine which we're gonna unbox and see what all the fuss is about. So I just unboxed it from the packaging. It's still all there. It was, I don't know why they two boxes and then another box. So it's gonna do this together and see what we think about it. First things first, this is not a review video. This is purely an unboxing video for this machine. And I'm gonna unbox it the way I unbox all my other machines. And I have a little handy dandy checklist that I use for unboxing any or every machine. And we're just gonna use this as a guide to go through the unboxing steps and all the way to bed leveling, calibration, printing some test prints, and then we'll do a recap in a couple of weeks of running some good prints and running it through some tests and stuff, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so what do we have here? It's pronounced as Fokoos. This is how the company wants everybody to pronounce that. I find it really hard to say that way with a straight face, but it is what it is. It's a Fokoos, that's the name of the company. It's a brand new startup, and this is their first machine, and this is all whatever I know from a little bit of the research that I did beforehand, and I am on their Facebook group and all that, so I've been following up on whatever has been going on with this machine for the last month and a half or so. And it's Fokoos Odin-5 F3. I have no idea what Odin-5 F3 means, besides Odin, right? And the most interesting thing about this machine that kind of caught my eye was the foldable gantry. So this gantry basically it folds down for portability, and it just has a really small footprint. Okay. Some of the features, it's a direct drive machine. It's got dual Z's and resume print function, whatever. It has eccentric nuts. It does not have linear rails. It's the regular rollers that you see on Ender 3 type machines. It does come with bed leveling knobs. I don't think it has a BL Touch, the auto leveling probe. And it has a touch screen, and it looks kind of really nice on the picture here, so we'll see how the real machine looks like. But from the specs and the build volume, I think it's roughly 230 by 230 by 230, I think. So it's gonna compete with Ender 3 V2 and Voxel Lab Aquila, and in that kind of competitive landscape. Arion ER20, which also I have, that kind of landscape. And on paper, it looks really, really good, given the tech specs. I think it's got PMC 2209s for separate drivers. Of course, 32-bit motherboard. It's got these ribbon cables. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but we'll see how how they hold up. So what I was saying was, for the price point, it's really, really competitive, and if it prints as well as they claim it to be, then I think this is gonna be one of the best buys in that sub $300 category for FDM printers. So without further ado, let's just get to work.